Well, today's the day. Today's the day we close on the ranch. Up here in Wyoming, Jackson, Wyoming. It's gonna be awesome. We've waited a long time for this day, a few months now. Official? Are you happy now? Huh?
Most expensive elk tag I've ever bought. They're home.
Congratulations.
You got a great
Congrats, everybody. We're so
great place to live.
Thank you. Did I click you? Did I click you?
What do you think?
Pretty incredible place.
Yep.
Can't believe we own it.
Yep. Pretty cool.